In case you are not happy with your mutual fund investments and looking for an alternative investment vehicle to invest in equity markets, then I have a good news for you. Today I am going to discuss with you new age advisory platforms we can provide better alternative to mutual funds at a no cost or at a very low cost. Hello friends, I am Shobit from Mentor Shobit, and today I am going to discuss with you new age advisory platforms like Small Case through which you can have exposure to equity market at a very low cost in a professional way. In last 5 years, mutual funds have gained tremendous traction in Indian investment community. The number of accounts which has been opened in last 5 years has been more than double. In March 2014, the number of accounts were 4 crores. It has grown to more than 8.7 crores as of March 2019. The asset which was managed by mutual funds in 2010 March was close to 10 lakh crores, which has now grown to more than 22 lakh crore as of March 2020. So there has been huge traction from various investment community to mutual funds. But the tragedy is most of these investors have not very good experience investing in equity markets through mutual funds. The last 5 years average return of large cap funds has been close to 5%, and in last 3 years it has been close to 2.8%. This is considering the fact that from the March lows, the market has grown more than 50% as of August 2020. So most of these investors who have been investing in mutual funds and have come in this fold are taking their money out. According to data of AMFI as of July 2020, more than 7 lakh accounts has been closed of systematic investment plan, that is SIP. This was the first month in last 4 years where the net flows in equity schemes for mutual funds has been negative. It means people have withdrawn more money from equity schemes than they have put in. Now the fact is, since most of the investors of mutual funds are taking out their money, they are directly putting those money and their investments in equity market. This has been validated by the number of accounts which brokerage companies are opening in the last 5 months. More than 35 lakhs trading account has been opened by various brokerage house in last 5 months. These investors are taking direct exposure to equity markets. But friends, we need to remember most of the mutual fund investors have invested through mutual funds only because they were not having expertise in investing directly in stock markets. So this has been accentuated the risk for the investors. And as of now, the investors are not realizing because the market has more than 50% in last 5 months. So now the question is, what are the alternatives for these investors if they want to invest in equity markets and want to take a professional approach to it? My suggestion is investors should look at these new age investment platforms which provides model portfolio through which our investors can take exposure to equity markets. Small case provide multiple investment portfolios or model portfolios on various themes like large cap, small cap, multi cap, or new themes which they think can provide benefit to investors, and through this investors can have exposure to equity markets. So let me tell you why it makes more sense to have exposure in equity markets through these new age advisory platforms like small cases, so that you can have a clear cut idea as why it makes more sense to have exposure in equity markets through these platforms. The first and most important benefit, friends, is the portfolios which are offered by this company is created by professionals with thorough research and deliberation. So it is not ad hoc portfolio which is created on various themes. It is a well researched portfolio. Small cases. The other important benefit is there is no cost or low cost if you have exposure to equity market through a model portfolio which is offered by small cases. Small cases per se don't charge anything for advising you a model portfolio. Whatever charges which you as an investor has to pay, it is only the brokerage which broker charges for buying or selling the stocks. Even better if you have account with brokers like Zerodha which don't charge any brokerage for buying stocks for delivery, you get model portfolio for virtually at no cost. So this is another benefit where you don't need to pay recurring cost to the company irrespective of the performance of the investment. The third major benefit is you have full ownership of the stocks which you are going to buy. It means that whatever stocks you are buying, it will be in your demat account, unlike mutual funds, where whatever money you invest in many mutual fund scheme, it goes to a full account of mutual funds. So you have full control in case you want to increase exposure to any particular stock, or you want to sell any particular stock at any point of time, or you want to add more money to your existing portfolio, you can do that. The other important benefit is the liquidity. In mutual funds, if you want to take out your money before 1 year, then you need to pay exit load in all open-ended funds. Whereas if you have exposure to stock market through these model portfolios, since they are in your demat account, you can buy at any point of time and sell at any point of time without any charges. So this is another benefit which you have. The fifth important benefit is the dividends which you get directly in your bank account. In case you have exposure in equity markets through mutual funds and the stocks which the portfolio has, if they declare any dividend, it will be going to a mutual fund account. Whereas whatever dividend is declared by the companies in which you have exposure, that money will directly be coming to your account. So these are the multiple benefits which you have. I think the most important benefit is you the cost of investment will be very low or at no cost if you have accounts with discount brokers like Zerodha or Upstox. So they have tied up with 9 brokers through which if you have account in any of these broker, you can directly buy in this portfolio according to your risk appetite and time horizon. Please take proper precaution and don't see only the returns. Now talking about returns, the small cases in last 3 to 5 years have outpaced the returns of the mutual fund schemes. Since these are very low cost product and provide multiple benefits, it makes lot of sense to have exposure in equity markets through these investment vehicles or these platforms. I would highly recommend you to go and see their website smallcases.com so that you will have much clear idea as to how you can have exposure in equity markets through these platforms which will can provide you a diversified portfolio at a very low cost. I hope I have added some value. Next time buying any stock or want to have exposure in equity markets, do look at their service. I think it makes a lot of sense. In case you find value in this video, do comment and share among your friends and families. I will see you again. Thanks for watching.